Does the color of your skin matter? Hey beautiful people, I'm the lovely Miss Shep, and I've been making soap since 2018 because God led me to it and I absolutely love it. And my soaps are packed with real ingredients, that good coconut butter and real oat milk. Yeah, you see it. So does the color of your skin matter? It should matter to you, my melanated brothers, because in the Bible, angels had the same color skin like you. Daniel chapter 10 and verse 6. Go read that. And yes, be proud of the color of your skin. Jesus also had the same color skin like you. Revelations 1 and 15. Go read that. And that's one of the reasons why I put these scriptures on my soaps, to help encourage you. They are on all my masculine scented soaps. So be sure to
get you some
or use some bars masculine scented soaps today.